Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Smart Assistant on this device. So as can you see, in my case the Smart Assistant is activated, and just if you want to turn it off, you should swipe with your finger at the same time, your two fingers at the same time to the center, and here then click on the home screen settings, and just here you will see the Smart Assistant section. Just to turn off your Smart Assistant, click here once on the switcher, and as you can see, when I'm swapping with my finger the home screen to the right side, I just can't open the Smart Assistant anymore. And if you want to just turn it on again, just by the same way, slide with your finger to the center at the same time, and click here to the home screen setting on the right down corner, and click again here to the switcher to activate the Smart Assistant. And as can you see, by this way we can turn on or turn off the Smart Assistant of our HUAWEI P50 Pocket. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.